So hi, hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today I will show you how to access and export the National Land Cover Database for United States of America. So NLCD is basically a National Land Cover Database, contains the land use of United States of America for 2004, 1992, 2001, 2006, and 2011. So in this video, you can able to visualize, access, and export the National Land Cover Database of United States of America. So let's get started. So how to get a feature collection with US country boundary. So in order to insert the United States country boundary into Earth Engine, so to import our country's boundary into Earth Engine, we have to define where countries equals to doubly feature collection. United States Department of State Large Scale International Boundary Polygon Simple. So in order to import the world level country boundary polygon into Earth Engine, we have to define or use this code. So next we are specifically selecting our study area, that is United States of America. For that we have specified a variable called USA equals to countries dot filter filter dot eq country. Now output the layer name as United States. So next we are defining our where variable region, our region of interest. So for define our region of interest from this land use product, that particular I want to analyze what is the type of land cover that particular region or the region of interest has. So for that I will define a variable called region equals to w dot geometry and coordinates for that region. So now let us load our national land cover data into Earth Engine. So the National Land Cover database is a 30 meters Landsat based land cover database. It is available from 1992, 2001, 2006, and 2011. So let us now import our NLCD database into NLCD land use data product into Earth Engine. So now to import our National Land Cover data product into Earth Engine, we have to define a variable called NLCD equals to w dot image in USGS NLCD National Land Cover database and NLCD 2011 and dot select land cover. So in this NLCD data, we have several different other data products. So now we are specifically selecting our land cover data product. So next we are defining a visualization parameter for our NLCD land cover data product. So to define a visualization parameter, I've used variable land visualization, that is vis variable called land vis. So minimum reflectance is 11 and maximum is around 95. And we have color palettes. We are selecting the color palettes for our land cover map, that is our national land cover database. We are choosing this color palettes. Now let me show you the color palettes. So now let me show you that. So this is a website called Color Brewer, where you can able to see here each color has its own set of number which represents a color. So let me show you this particular set of value represents this color. Let me show you other colors. So now you can able to see this particular set of value has this color. So similarly, each of these numbers has its own set of colors to represent our land use land cover product. So we have about 17 different color palettes. So we have 17 different classes in our land use product. For that, we have defined 17 different color for each of the 17 classes in our land use product. So next is to center our layer, I have defined a map dot center object USA, that is referring to our this variable USA with a zoom level of 4. And to add this layer into our Earth Engine, I have defined map dot add layer NLCD land vis, refers to a visualization parameter I had defined here. So this is our visualization parameter, the minimum, maximum, and color palettes. The palettes. So output as NLCD land cover USA. So now let me show you run this code. So go to the option called run script. Click run script. So now we can able to view that. This is our land use national land cover database, our land use data product for United States of America. It's available for 1992, 2001, and 2006 and 2011. So now we can able to view the different classes that is available in the land use product. So here we have our water class. It is clearly distinguished. You can able to see that, and we have several other classes has been classified in this product. So this is a 30 meter resolution, 30-meter resolution land cover product. So now we can able to view that cities or the cities or urban areas are marked in this the skin color, and the water bodies are being marked in the blue color, and the vegetation areas are marked as in green color. So again, we have another urban area. So and you can able to view that lakes are being marked as in blue color. So suppose if you want to export this land cover data product to your Google account, that is to a Google Drive, you have to define export to globe cover data to your drive. For that, you have to define. Let me show you that. So suppose if you want to export the land use land cover product of your region of interest, or you can also export the entire. You can export this entire land use land cover product. So in this video, I will extract only our study region, that is area of interest. For that, I have defined a region. Let me show you that. So our region of interest is a set of coordinates. So I will show you in next. So to export our globe cover, that is our national land use data product to our drive, we have to define export.image to our drive to drive. The image is NLCD, National Land Cover Database product. So the description have given us NLCD land cover data, and spatial resolution is around 30 meters, and the region is, and our layer, that is defined region. So that is our area of interest. That is this one with the specific coordinates. This is a region of interest. Now let me show you my region of interest, and let us export this national land cover data product. So go to the option called run script. Click run script. So now we can able to see that this is our region of interest that has been marked in and then this black color. So this is our region of interest. You can also export the entire land use land cover product, but for this video I am exporting only this region of interest that is marked in this black color, the rectangle one, the square one, sorry, the square one. So to export this, go to the option that is in the task. Click the task bar. Now we can able to see that the unsubmitted task, that is NLC land cover. So now we can to export your the land cover of your study region or the area of interest. Click this option called, go to the option called task, and click our NLCD land cover. Click run. Now a new window pops up. The task is to initiate our image export. So the task name is NLCD land cover, and that is a coordinate reference system, EPSG, and the spatial resolution is around 30 meters. So we are exporting to our drive. So you can also click enter your drive folder. You can create a folder by entering the drive folder name, and the file name is NLCD land cover. Let me run this. Click run. So now we can able to see in the task section, it is exporting our NLCD land cover data product to our Google Drive. So we have to wait for some time. So now we can able to see that our NLCD land cover data products being exported to our drive. So to access it, you can simply press open in our Drive. So your NLCD data product will be available in your Google Drive. You can check this out by clicking open in Drive. So in this video, I have shown you how to access and export a national Landcover data product into Earth Engine, and how to export our land use Landcover, that is our national Landcover data product, to our Google Drive. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.